Namaskar. While global wheat prices are dipping, Indian prices are rolling near record high. Since the beginning of this year, wheat prices in the global market have dropped by nearly 2%. However, in the Indian domestic market, prices have increased. Year on year, prices are up by nearly 7%. The Indian government is concerned over the rise in wheat prices as it could impact its procurement for buffer stocks, which are distributed through ration shops. It also comes into play during any food emergency. Indian wheat prices are up despite the government efforts to cool down by selling its stocks from the Food Corporation of India (FCI) through Open Market Sale Scheme (OMSS). It has raised the sales quantity to 5 lakh tons after starting with 1 lakh tons. 2 weeks ago, prices at the OMSS auctions played up on fears that the sale could end up soon, since the new crop is set to arrive from the first week of March. However, prices eased a tad last week. Speculation is rife over how Indian wheat production could be. The government has set a target of 115 million tons against a record 113.29 million tons of production last year. This year, traders fear that above normal temperatures could affect the crop's yield. Various figures are doing the rounds. However, government officials say record acreage and climate-resilient varieties would be able to deliver the results. At least 70% of the area under wheat has been covered under climate-resilient varieties. Rains 2 weeks ago in the key growing areas and the forecast of more showers hold promise for a better crop yield. For the government, wheat prices have to drop from the current levels of Rs 30 a kg at the agri-terminal markets, since it will need to procure ample stocks for supply to ration shops and meet any food emergency. Last year, the government procured 26.6 million tons, and in 2023, it purchased 26.2 million tons. As of February 1, the centre had 16.12 million tons of wheat with it, compared to 13.27 million tons a year ago. Part of the stocks have been sold at the OMSS auction, and they would likely be around the buffer stock norms of 7.46 million tons as of April 1. The centre would like to procure more than last year, but it will all boil down to the prices in the open market when arrivals pick up. There are two options before the government if the production is affected as feared. One, it can expect to allocate more rice instead of wheat as it did in 2022 for ration shop supply. Or it can lower the wheat import duty after arrivals are over to tide over any supply issues. Interestingly, the Australian government expects an opportunity for its growers in the Indian wheat market. It anticipates a duty cut in the import duty later this year. Currently, the duty is about 40%. Until the centre comes out with its Rabi production estimate in a couple of weeks. Fingers crossed. Keep smiling and be happy. Until we meet in the next episode, this is Subramani Mangamba signing off. Good luck.